Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and we are back with the series of building and learning LWC from scratch. So today we will be covering topic of show toast event. That means whenever you want to show a success message, error message, any informational message or any warning to the customer and want to show those toasts to the customer, then how you can achieve that. So we'll be covering that part today in the LWC. So we'll just build new LWC quickly, and I'll give this name as show toast event. Now here our first task would be to import the show toast event. So that's how from Lightning platform show toast event. We'll be importing the show toast event. Yeah. After this, we'll go to the HTML and we'll build up a basic card, lightning card, and let's give its title as show toast event. Then in this we will have one div, and then just placed we'll have one div, and maybe we'll have one header 2 stating show toast events, and here I'll add just class of SLDS. Yeah. Now what I'll do after this, I'll add the lightning button groups because I want to have 4 buttons. So just to provide the consistency in the layout, I'll add the button group, and then I'll be adding one button, and this one button should have label as success, and on click handler should be fire as handle success. Similarly, I will place other 3 buttons as well. I'll just copy paste it, and my second one would be error, third one would be information, and the fourth one would be warning. Error, information, and warning. So yes, after this I have created the handlers. I'll move back to the JS, and here I will just add the I'll just have my handlers here. First of all, I'll be having the success handler, so I will just create a constructor of show toast event, and then have its parameter as title first. So title would be success, then we have message, that is what message we want to show. So success has arrived. Let's just be a little bit creative, and then a variant will decide that in what manner this toast should be displayed. So in success manner. So we have created the event, the constructor of the event, but it should be assigned to a variable, that is const show success, I will say, and this is wrong. Yeah. Now I will need to dispatch this event, so I will use this dot dispatch event, and I will have this show success here, this dot show success. Similarly, I will have it for others as well, so I'll just copy paste it. Error, and then we have error message here. I will say error encountered, then have variant as error, and here we will say show error. Then again I will do this, and I have information, info, I will say info alert, So for this I need to have variant as information, and then I can have this as show info, and this dispatch here. Then I will paste this again for the last one, that is for the warning. And okay, this is correct, handle warning. Here I will have show warning, show toast event, title is warning, warning message, and variant will be warning, and then we are having as this. So this should be good. Now we'll go to the meta file and we'll expose this to our org, and we'll set up the target as well. So our target would be Lightning app page and Lightning home page. So yes, I have set it up. Now I will just deploy this very quickly. Okay, so there is an error here. What could be the error? For this has been already declared. Okay, I guess the class name should be different. I'll say LWC. Let's see and deploy this. It is deployed. After this, we have made one mistake, that is with the const variable we are using this keyword which should not be there. So I'll just remove this, and yeah, after removing this it should look like this, and we'll deploy this once again, and let's add the semicolon here as well. Yes, I'll just deploy this very quickly, and after deploying it we'll just add the component to our page. So I have already edited. You can just click on the edit page and drag and drop your component. I can show you that as well. After editing your page, you can search for your component here and then just drag and drop here like this. So this I have already done. You can do it this part, and after doing this my component is looking something like this. So after doing this I will just click on success, then success message should appear in the green because success has arrived, and then if I'll click on information, info alert is there in the gray. You can notice the color difference as well, and we have not provided any CSS or any color related information, but it has taken it based on their own classes, and which we are implementing by importing the show toast event from the platform show toast event, and also by providing the variant. So if I'll click on error encountered is appearing in red, and also you can notice the difference in the icon. And if the warning again icon is different, and warning message again, if we see, so the icons are also different for each variant. If I'll go back to my VS, we can do this in very one manner also. That is not just another manner. What we can do, we can have this constructor in another function, and then we can call that function and pass these parameters. So just to simplify the code, we can utilize that as well. And here again I have made this mistake. So if I'll deploy this, our our UI should not look that mismatched here. If I'll just refresh this once again, it is looking much better, and even you can have this text in the center. So that's fine, we are just learning. So you understand that how you can use the toast messages on the handler. It can be on button or any other handler as well, so you can utilize there whenever you have a requirement to show an alert, I would say alert or the toast appear for the customer. You can utilize this method. So I hope you like this, and if you do, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and thank you. Stay tuned.